Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today I will show you how to easily add a Google account to your Samsung Galaxy phone. This is really useful if you're setting up a new device, adding another Gmail for work, or syncing contacts, apps and files. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Settings. Scroll down and find this option called Accounts and Backup. Now select Manage Accounts. Scroll down and tap on Add Account at the bottom. Now choose Google from the list. Let me verify my identity. Here, enter your Gmail address and tap Next. Type your password and then tap Next and tap Next again and accept the terms and conditions and done. Your Google account will be added to your Samsung Galaxy phone and it will automatically sync your emails, contacts and calendar. And that's it. That's how you add a Google account to your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.